Welcome to Fawn Acres, located in the quaint southern small town in Elkton, Kentucky. This beautiful new construction home is nestled in a quiet new neighborhood just a few minutes from the town square. I like to call it the Mayberry of the South. Hey friends, I'm Homes by Lisa Miller with Keller Williams First Choice Realty. I cannot wait to show you around, so let's come inside and take a look. Specializing in low-maintenance living, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features beautiful design and high-quality workmanship. At just under 1,600 square feet, the entire home features wide luxury vinyl plank flooring, stylish lighting, a neutral paint color, and lots of windows for natural light. A wide open living space welcomes you into the spacious family room and flows into a well-planned kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is decked out with upgraded shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and stainless appliances with an oversized island. I especially like that the kitchen sink faces the family room, so if you're the one stuck doing the dishes, you can fully engage with your family or guests. The spacious master bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with double sink, shaker-style cabinetry, a large walk-in closet, and then you'll find the laundry closet tucked conveniently off from the kitchen. Enjoy having your morning coffee on the covered back patio. There's plenty of room in the backyard for flower beds, a garden, or outdoor space for entertaining or play. The front yard has a concrete driveway, landscaping, and beautiful sod. Located just a short drive to Clarksville, Tennessee, Hopkinsville, or Russellville, and you're also just 45 minutes to Bowling Green, here you can enjoy a slower pace living away from the busyness of a bigger city. Enjoy the town summer concerts, festivals on the square, boutique shopping, and ice cream at the local Dairy Mart. Visit the Amish bakeries for the famous cinnamon rolls, and they even ship nationwide. You will love the sense of community in one of the greatest small towns in Kentucky. Thank you for touring with me today. For more information, please contact me directly. You can also find us on Facebook at Homes by Lisa Miller and the Kentucky Ron. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.